Welcome to this Genopro tutorial on how to print to PDF. What we're going to go through is the process and things to consider. This is our basic genogram. Yours may be larger than this, and there are additional considerations there. But let's take a basic genogram to walk through the steps. First of all, we click on File, and we need to go to Page Layout. As you can see, it defaults to Portrait, and the genogram is spread across 3 pages here. First of all, we might want to turn that to Landscape. And as you can see, then it flips the pages and automatically generates it over 2 pages. Then if we click on Single Page, so for PDFs, size isn't that important because it will allow us to zoom in and zoom out, etc. Once we're happy with the positioning on the page of the genogram, you can see you can center it horizontally, and you can do different things to the genogram depending on what your preference is. So for the purposes of this, we'll keep it where it is. And then we'll click OK to save it. Our next job is then to go into printer setup. And so we can use the A3 function, and we'll go on to Adobe PDF, find A3 to make it a bit larger, and click OK. What this will do then is to generate the PDF and save it to wherever your print saves. So this is what it will look like on the PDF. By clicking Print Preview, and again, we might want to zoom in when we're on the PDF. And finally, we go to Print, Adobe PDF. All of our settings have been saved. We click OK, printing the document, and that is that. Thanks for watching the video. Please tune in for more.